In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a meeting on Calendly. We'll walk through the process from the main dashboard all the way to confirming the booking, so you can confidently schedule meetings for your invitees without going back and forth over email. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account and that you're on your home dashboard. This is usually the page you see right after you sign in. Here, you'll see a list of your event types, such as one-on-one meetings or group sessions. Take a moment to identify the specific event type you want to schedule on behalf of someone else. Picking the right event type is important because it controls things like duration, location, and availability. Once you've found the correct event, look for the book meeting icon within that event. It typically looks like a small calendar with a plus sign in it. Go ahead and click that icon. This tells Calendly that you, as the host, are going to schedule a time directly for someone, instead of sending them the link and asking them to choose a time themselves. A booking panel will open and you'll be asked for the invitee's details. Type in the name of the invitee and then enter the email address associated with that person. Take a second to double check the spelling of the email address here. This is crucial because Calendly will send the confirmation and calendar invitation to this exact email. If you get it wrong, your guest might never receive the invite. Next, you'll choose when the meeting will happen. On the right-hand side, you'll see a calendar view showing your available dates and times for this event type. Click on the date that works best, and then select a time slot that suits both you and your invitee. If you already discussed a time with them, try to match it as closely as possible. Remember, these options are based on the availability settings you've configured for this event, so you should only see times when you're actually free. After you've confirmed the date and time, take a quick look to ensure everything is correct. The event type, the invitee's name and email, and the selected time. When you're happy with all the details, click on the button labeled Book Meeting. Calendly will now create the event, send a confirmation email to your invitee, and add the meeting to your connected calendar. And that's it. You've successfully booked a meeting on Calendly on behalf of someone else.